How to adjust screen brightness on a MacBook. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quickest ways to increase or decrease screen brightness on your Mac. The easiest method is to use the brightness keys on your keyboard. Press the brightness down key to lower the screen brightness, or press the brightness up key to make the screen brighter. You can press these keys multiple times until the display reaches the brightness level that's most comfortable for you. Another option is through the Control Center. Click the Control Center icon in the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen, then locate the brightness slider. Drag the slider left to decrease brightness, or right to increase it. You can also adjust brightness through System Settings. Click the Apple menu, select System Settings, and then choose Displays. Under Display Settings, you'll find a brightness slider that allows you to manually control the screen brightness. If your Mac supports ambient light sensing, you can enable Automatically Adjust Brightness. This feature changes the screen brightness based on the lighting conditions around you, helping improve visibility and reduce eye strain. That's how to adjust screen brightness on a MacBook in 2026.